Question 1. Which type of antibodies will associated in blood coagulation? The correct answer is option A. IgM. Antibody will associated in blood cell coagulation. Question 2. Enzyme are chemically. The correct answer is option C. Protein. Enzyme are chemically protein. Question 3. Antibodies in our body are produced by. The correct answer is option C. B lymphocyte. Antibodies in our body produced by B lymphocyte. Question 4. How much of globulin is present in human serum? The correct answer is option D 8. Option D 8. 8% of globulin is present in human serum. Question 5. Syphilis is caused by. The correct answer is option C. Treponema pallidum is responsible for syphilis. Question 6. Analysis of protein antigen is by. The correct answer is option B. Western blot technique is used for analysis of protein antigen. Question 7. The cellular immune response is mediated by. The correct answer is option C. B cell. Question 8. Which immunoglobulin present in human serum? The correct answer is option B. IgG. Immunoglobulin G is present in human serum. Question 9. The reaction of soluble antigen with antibody is known as. The correct answer is option C. Precipitation. Question 10. What is the use of monoclonal antibodies? The correct answer is option C. Immunotherapy. 11. Which test is used for AIDS? The correct answer is option A. ELISA test is used for AIDS. Question 12. T cell produced from. The correct answer is option C. Thymus. Question 30. Which of following vaccine was developed by Pasteur? The correct answer is option D. All. Rabies, anthrax, chicken cholera vaccine was developed by Pasteur. Question 40. What is role of magnesium in vaccine? The correct answer is option C. Stabilizer. Magnesium work as a stabilizer in vaccine. 15. Sick test is used for detection of. The correct answer is option C. Diphtheria. Sick test is used for detection of diphtheria. 60. Innate immunity is. The correct answer is option B. Non-specific. 17. Acquired immunity is. The correct answer is option D. All. Artificial, natural, active and passive is a acquired immunity. 80. Immediate type hypersensitive reaction are. The correct answer is option D. All. Type 1, 2, 3 all are the immediate type of hypersensitive reaction. 90. Anthrax vaccine is prepared by. The correct answer is option B. Attenuated bacillus is used for preparation of anthrax vaccine. 20. Vaccine are prepared from kill microbes are called. The correct answer is option C. Is called inactivated vaccine. In vaccine are prepared from kill microbes. 21. Vaccine prepared from toxins and chemicals are called. The correct answer is option D. Subcellular vaccine. 22. Antitoxin is used for. The correct answer is option B. Passive immunization. 23. Which immunoglobulin is associated with anaphylactic delay hypersensitive reaction? The correct answer is option B. IgE. Immunoglobulin is associated with anaphylactic delayed hypersensitivity reaction. 24. Which technique is used for quantitative estimation of immunoglobulin? The correct answer is option C. Single diffusion in 2 dimensions is used for the quantitative estimation of immunoglobulin. 25. Antibodies are. The correct answer is glycoprotein. Antibodies are glycoprotein. 26. Antibody-antigen reaction are. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Reversible and irreversible. 27. Serological reaction are used for. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. For detection of antibody and detection of antigen, serological reaction are used. 28. Toxin and virus can be detected by. The correct answer is option B, neutralization. 29. Which of the following method is used for separation of antigen? The correct answer is option C. Immunoelectrophoresis is used for separation of antigen. 30. Incomplete antigen are called. The correct answer is option D. Haptans is called as incomplete antigen.